You will be amazed at the things I do to my hair on a daily basis. Hmm. And this time around, I finally dyed my hair turmeric copper. I use the Garnier Good hair dye, turmeric copper in 4 point, no, 7.43. Yes. So if you are wondering how this color is going to look on your 4C hair, I have I have done it now. Okay. So what do you think? Do I actually regret dyeing my hair in this color? Nope. Because I really love to try new things and also try out new things with my hair, especially when it comes to colors. I used to be very, very scared of dyeing my hair when I was young, and I also used to think it could break or get destroyed, but here I am, always trying out new things with my hair, and I don't regret it at all. But you know what I wouldn't be happy about? If you clicked on this video, watched up to this point, and you have still not subscribed to my YouTube channel. I know you are enjoying the content. I know you enjoy what you see. So why haven't you subscribed? Let's go and click on the subscribe button now. Okay, this is not a TED talk. So, let's get to the reason why we are here. Okay. I don't know why I'm so hyper, but yeah. What is this? Uh, what are we doing today? So the sun is out, and I think it's the best time for me to actually put my hair in this I think it's actually time for me to put on this magic curler I got off the TikTok shop. My hair, I want to try it on this and let me see how it comes out. I'm going to show you all the things I'm going to use in this video, but you only need one magic ingredient. I believe you only need maybe two. The Cantu shea butter wave whip curling mousse. I think this should do just fine with the style I'm going for or what I want to do with my hair. Okay, and so you just need these two products, just these two, and yes, of course, a detangler, right? Maybe some hair clips and some bands. So without wasting much time, let's get started, because I also don't want this video to be so long. I'm going to start off on a freshly washed and air dried hair. And if you want to see how I got my natural 4C black hair into this turmeric copper, check out the pinned video up there, or check out my playlist on beauty and hairstyles to enjoy the whole process. It was very, 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 very easy. I'm going to start with the back, of course. I think this color really looks good on me. Anna, Mibwa, please let me know in the comment section. Maybe after I style it and I some small makeup in, then yeah. I don't want to also use water because I don't want to even spray. Did I say sprinkle? Yeah. I don't want to spray. Oh my god, this video, I'm all over the place. Relax. Okay, and for information, I'm not going to edit this video that much, so I'm going to leave all the I'm going to leave everything in it. So like I was saying, I am not going to use any spray any water because I think the mousse, the Cantu products should work just fine, right? I want to have tighter curls, so let's try the first one. Tangle it. I haven't even put the color, but can you see how the Cantu products just define my curls? Can you see? I haven't even used the magic color. Oh my god! Imagine you are sun-kissed in this hair color. Ah! Somebody is jealous. Somebody is jealous. I can see somebody is jealous in the comment section. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hmm. I can see you are jealous. Just give it a try. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? You just have to cut your hair and it will grow again. Just dye the hair. Wow. Okay, let's try this. Please come out well. I beg you. Twist the roots. Then oh, what happened? Okay, we're gonna try again. You keep trying until you get it right. So I'm gonna twist my roots again. Then I hook this. What is going on? What am I not doing right? Scheiße. I have to figure this out off camera. Oh, I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it. Oh, my dear. Okay, let's try a second one. But I think my hair is longer than the curling, the magic curler. The reason why I also decided to do it now is because, I mean, the longer it stays, then the easier, I mean, then the longer it gets. What am I saying? I want to make sure I get the curls tighter, like I get tighter curls. And also, I'm just going to allow it to air dry. Since I'm also just going to allow it to hair, I think it's best to do it now. Then maybe tomorrow, by tomorrow. Ah! What is going on? I think it's okay, right? Then by tomorrow, it's fully dried and ready to be wrapped. Hey, I'm going to complete the rest of camera because I can't. I'm going to complete the back of camera. When I get to the front, I get back to you. But trust me, I am definitely going to tell you how long it took for me to get all of this in my hair. And I have 30 pieces. I just hope it's 30 pieces because I didn't count. You know how sometimes you buy some products, what you buy versus what you get. I just hope it's actually 30 pieces because they look so small. I mean, the quantity looks small, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna finish the back of camera, then I get back to you. It's time for the front, and I am leaning more towards a side part. I want to try to do a side part. Let me see how that one also looks. What do you guys think? So we are making some progress, as you can see on the front now. It's not looking bad. It's actually not looking bad so far. It's 12:38 and I've been up since I started this very early because I wanted to finish on time, and I have about 6 more magic colors to go. It's 1:40 p.m. in the afternoon, and I just have this one left to do. This is the back. I'm just hoping I manage to do it well. And I want to quickly finish with this one. Last one standing. And I used all the 30 pieces of magic color. I actually wish I had bought 2, because in the end I had to do my patterns. Some of the patterns are not equal. Some of them were huge or large, but I managed to do everything using the 30. It's actually 29, because I also managed to ruin one. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I managed to ruin one. So this is how I've been doing it. After I detangle it, I twist the roots. From my face. I mean, not towards my face. Then I hook. Yep. Yeah, easy peasy. Not so easy. I'm definitely keeping this overnight. Maybe tomorrow morning I will undo these curls. Thanks so much for staying with me, and don't forget to watch more interesting content here. Tomorrow I'll be here to show you the final look. Bye. It's the next day and I really need to hurry up because I need to catch the train. So I am just going to be using this oil I got from Rossmann. So let's just do this quickly. Wow. So I've seen a couple of videos where people say that it was uncomfortable to sleep with. Well, for me, no. I used my hair bonnet, which is very, very, very big. I'm loving this. Let me just quickly. I think it's easier to undo this than doing them. This is my hair, period. It's really cool. Oh wow, I'm done. I'm just going to separate it just a little bit. I don't even know how the back looks, but not now, please. Let's see. Is the back looking okay? I think I'm definitely going to have my breakfast in the tray. So this is how we are looking. What do you guys think about the... I like the magic color. I really love it. I think I really, really, really love it. Okay, let's leave now so we are not late for the train. And I'm still sitting down. Let's leave and I'm still sitting down. I'm gonna take pictures on my way out. So this is the final look for my hair. And when it's sunny, it's going to be very, very nice. Now it's a bit cloudy. Imagine after going through all the stress to do my hair, only for me to leave the house with her umbrella and then it begins to rain. Oh my god. Anyway, so I'm gonna give you updates on my hair. What happened yesterday? Yesterday, unfortunately, it rained, and funny enough, I didn't take my umbrella along when I was stepping out, so it drizzled a bit, and then my hair got the curls got destroyed. Yeah, but I mean, even with that, you can still see the curls. Maybe some bits, yeah. So today, this is how I am rocking it. This is how I am rocking it. I wish it could have stayed longer, but we move. I'm gonna try to do other hairstyles. I'm gonna try to do other hairstyles with my hair. So yeah, if you have watched this video up to this point, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like this video, comment below if you're going to try this color. Oh my god, the sun is out. Comment below if you're going to try this color and the general perception about hair dyes. Watch more videos and more other interesting content on this channel, and till I see you again, bye.